Boom. So we got trouble between this VPN show crypto IK version 1 SA. I don't see any VPN. Show crypto ISA KMP SA, no VPN so far. And when I try to ping from this PC on the left, I'm unable to ping. Ping 192.168.2.1, it should go through VPN, but it's not going. Now, after trying pinging, when I go and check the condition of the VPN, I see it is initiated, but it is not active. It is not established. So there is something wrong. So there is no rekey. This is the clue. There is no authentication. So show run, and I'm looking for tunnel group command. I do have a tunnel group, but the password is CISCO. Only 4. When say no, it won't show the password, but I see only 5 characters. 5 characters. Cisco I have typed here. Let me go and show you what I have given us a password here. Show run section crypto. This side the password is Cisco 123. So mismatch. Either I need to change here or there. Where should I change? You tell me. I'll change there. Should I change on the router or on the ASA? Anywhere you can change. Okay, I'm going to ASA and say tunnel group. And the IP address need to be checked. So the IP address is anyone in this subnet, 202020. All right? Anyone in that subnet. And then the IPsec attribute. And then you got ISA KMP. Right, sorry, IKE version 2, version 1, IKE version 1, pre-shared key, Cisco 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have corrected the password. Let me try typing show run tunnel group. Even now it shows only 4 dots. Okay, that's how it shows. So password may not be the reason. Let's see any other reason. Now let me try pinging one more time and see whether it works. If not, I need to check the other parameters. Okay, so one thing is don't go with the star. If I see 5 star or 6. Okay, this is not when we see in ASA firewall 5 star, it doesn't mean 5 characters. Actually, I gave Cisco 123 as a password, but it's simple. See, your password will be shown encrypted here. That's all. For the security reason, see, I put password Cisco 123, but when you type show command, it won't show the password. For security, because anyone can type show run and see the password, right? See, in routers it will show you. In routers it will show you. Because in router it's not a security firewall, so it won't encrypt. But ASA firewall will encrypt.
But in the router you can also.
You can encrypt. You need to enable the command service password encryption. But by default it won't do because that is a router, this is a firewall. Fine, the problem is not with the key now. then where is the problem? Let me try pinging this subnet. Oh no, there's no route for the network. Let me try pinging 10. Okay, 10 it pings. So let us do one thing. Better we'll change this attribute command. See, there is an IP address written here, 10. That's the remote site. Yes. From left I was trying to ping. Now I'm going to remove this and I'm going to put the exact address 2020 2010. Okay, so tunnel group 2020 20 earlier I had where is the notepad which I opened? Type 2020 20 type. Why it's not coming? Tunnel group. Why it says unrecognized? Tunnel group. Wait, I'll say show run tunnel group. Yeah, I want to cancel this. Okay, instead I would like to say tunnel group 2020 2010, which is the exact IP address of the other side. Type IPsec L2L. Next, tunnel group 2020 2010 attribute 10 IPsec attribute is for IKE version 1. Why not ISA KMP? Let's say ISA KMP. ISA KMP. It's not coming pre-shared key. Okay, IKE version 1 pre-shared key. Cisco 1 2 3. Boom. Right now, let us see show run tunnel group. Right, let me try pinging this address. It should ping. It is pinging. Okay, good. So we got a reachable thing. We got the password correct. Let me go and try pinging from the left now. No. Still, we have not derived the problem, found the problem. I was just changing this, matching with the exact IP address. That's not a problem. Instead of having a whole subnet, I just gave the exact IP address. That's all. So where are we now? Show crypto IKE version 1 SA. Sorry, ISA KMPSA. SA, there is no VPN. There's no VPN. Okay. Show run section crypto. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 notepads. Node section. In ASA firewall, you can simply say crypto. I'm going to paste one by one and compare it with the other side. That's another easy way of troubleshooting. Instead of going through this and that, I'm copying this, all the crypto commands to the notepad. Alright, next is what I don't want any trust points. And then I go here. And then the access list. Show run tunnel group also. Tunnel group. This is the tunnel group. This password is actually Cisco123. And then show run access list. And this is the access list for the VPN, and that is applied on group. So only when you know those commands, you will know what command to type and get the output. That's why we need to practice. Now, let me rearrange this. This is the first step, according to me, what I would like to do on ASA. Step 1 is done, writing ACL. Second step is I would like to check the phase 1. Phase 1 is here. I'm putting phase 1. Next is the phase 2. Sorry, in phase 1, still we have few more things called attribute, tunnel attribute. So I have this tunnel group command to do that. Okay, this is where the phase 1 gets over. Next is phase 2. Transforms it. These things come automatically. You don't need to care about it. Transforms it, and then the crypto map. In the crypto map, we need to call the access list. This one. This is the access list, permitting all the traffic going from 192.168.1.0, which is here, to use the VPN when it goes to 192.168.2.0, which is the right hand side. We are permitting every traffic IP. So access list is called, and this is the IP address of the remote peer. This is the transform set, and it is applied on the outside interface. This is on the top, phase 1 after access list. See, this is access list. This is applying the access list on the outside interface. This is enabling the IK version 1 service on the outside interface. See, our VPN starts on the outside interface, right? So I'm enabling that IK version 1, which is needed for VPN, and this is the outside interface. And this is phase 1, and this is also phase 1. This is completely phase 1, and then this is phase 2, and then this is applying all those above configuration inside a crypto map and calling the crypto map on the outside interface. That's it. These are the steps you need to know very well for any IPsec troubleshooting on ASA firewall. If you know this, troubleshooting will be easy. Step by step IPsec on ASA. Okay.
The problem is you should know the commands.
When will you know the commands? When you practice.
and
All right, now I'm taking another notepad to copy all those configurations on the router so that I can compare and see where the mistake is. Show run section crypto. This is it. And now this is easy. Phase 1. Before that, let us put the access list. Show run section access list. All right, this is it. And then I want to see the okay, that's it. Now we need to apply this here. It is applied. Phase 2 is also applied. 200, is it correct address? 200, 200, 210, that's right. And then this need to be applied on the interface. G00. Let me go and check on the config. Show run interface G00. Yes, it is applied on G00. We can see it here. So this I'll copy. Right. Now, what I want to compare between these both is I want to check whether this configuration matches with the ASA configuration that we have. All right, on ASA firewall, I have traffic going from 1 to 2, whereas here it should be going from 2 to 1. That is correct. ACL is right, no problem. Next, phase 1. Phase 1, this side is AES, this side is AES 256. Actually, AES simply means 256, but on the router, let me check whether there is an option for me to say 256. If not, I need to change on the ASA firewall. Now, where are you here? This is on the router. Encryption AES 256 is not there. So we are going to now change on the ASA firewall. ASA firewall, I'm going to say simply AES, no 256. So let me go to ASA firewall. Because on the router, no, this is on ASA firewall. You see, tunnel group is there.
yeah, but on the router we don't have
256. So I'm going to match the ASA firewall with the router. You understand?
the question is on the router we don't have option.
256.
We have or we don't have?
We don't have. Look at this. You simply have AES. You don't have AES hyphen 256. So I'm trying to match here on the router. Sorry, on the ASA firewall. Encryption. See, you got simply AES, which is 128 only. This is what need to be mentioned. All right, so I'll remove the old one if in case if it is still there. AES 256, I'll remove this. Okay, good. So no, that's not an error. That's good. Okay, we want AES. According to me, the problem is fixed now. That was the only problem. Let me check anyhow. So now we are matching this one with the router. Pre-shared key, group 5, time is same, password is also same, we already verified it. Transform set. Oh, look at this. Here also you have 256 in the transform set. Whereas on the router, you don't have 256. Let us go to the router. See this yesterday itself we found it. I pointed before closing the class. I showed you and then only I closed the class. I'm just doing now. You know these things. Later we saw this. You see, you don't have 256 AES. You just got only AES on the router. So I have to now change it on the ASA firewall. I need to delete this. Boom. Now let's go and check whether it is changed. Show run crypto. See the transform